Understanding, Feel It Out, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, feel it out. This idiom is common in everyday conversations and can be a bit tricky for English learners. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means and how to use it correctly. Feel it out is an idiomatic expression used to describe the process of gradually trying to understand or learn something by experiencing it or by trying different methods. It often implies a careful, cautious approach to a new situation, where you're not quite sure what to do yet. It's like testing the waters before making a decision. Let's look at some examples to see how feel it out is used in real-life situations. 1. In a new job, I'm still feeling out my new role at the company. I'm learning what works best in this team. 2. In relationships, they are just feeling out their relationship, seeing if they are compatible with each other. 3. In decision-making, before making a major decision, it's wise to feel it out and consider all options. Understanding synonyms can help grasp the meaning of feel it out better. Here are some: test the waters, gauge the situation, dip your toes in, probe. Each of these phrases carries a similar sense of cautious exploration or tentative investigation. Feel it out is a useful idiom that conveys the idea of cautiously exploring or trying to understand a situation. Like many idiomatic expressions in English, it adds color and depth to our conversations. I hope this video has helped you grasp its meaning and usage. Happy learning, and see you in our next English language adventure.